Welcome to qnawire.
Okay, so I see that you need help with this question. It says the following data represents the weight of vacuum cleaners in pounds from a sample. So I have 21, 17, 17, 20, 16, 17, 15, 20, 23, 16, 17, 17, 13, 15, 16, 18, 18, 17. Okay, what weight corresponds to the 85th percentile? Okay, first thing I have to do is I have to put the numbers in order from least to greatest. So I'm going to take 13. That's going to go first. Then I'm going to take 15. Then 15. And then 16 is there 1, 2, 3 times. And then 17 is there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then 18 is there twice. And then 20 is there 1, 2 times. And then 21. And then 23. Okay. So then for the 85th percentile, you have 85 times the amount of numbers there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 plus 1. And that's divided by 100. So 85 times 19. 85 times 19. And that is 16 divided by 100. And that's 16.15. And then it's between the 16th and the 15th number. So between the 16th and the 17th number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So between these two numbers. So it would be it would be 21 plus 0.15 times let's see, 21 minus 20. So then that would be 21 plus 0.15 times 1. So that's 21.15 would be my answer. And so that's for the first question, A. And then B, find the probability that the weight of the vacuum is above 17 pounds. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's 6 out of a total of 18, which is 1/3, which is 33.3%. So I hope that this video helps. This is a middle school math teacher signing out.